Voxlink USB-C to USB-C cable using original MacBook charger. Voxlink. Turn it over so you can see it. Voxlink. And not charging. Okay, cable number 2. Black Voxlink. Plug that into the MacBook. It's all plugged in. Not charging. And just to show you the outlet and everything works, I'll use the original cable. The original cable that came with the computer. And you can see that we're now charging. There's a charging symbol. And pause while charging. Same outlet and everything. Plug the Voxlink back in just to prove it. Nothing. And this is with the original Apple adapter that came with the computer. These cables are faulty, all of them. I don't know why they don't work, but none of them work. I tried them with USB-C phones as well, and they don't work for the phones either.